What's up guys? Today I want to talk about Popsicle Finance and its token ICE. Let's get into it. First, let me say I don't typically cover Ethereum projects, but since the full version of this is currently not released on Fantom yet, let's take a look at the ETH version today. Popsicle Finance wants to be a market maker. Similar to how Alameda takes their funds and provides large amounts of liquidity, Popsicle aims to have a protocol that does the same thing, but better. So, how does it work? Well, it's kinda similar to how LEARN Finance works. Essentially, you can provide different LP pairs to the protocol vaults, and it will find the best place to stake it and adjust its strategies to allow you to make the highest returns possible. This feature is broken down into two parts. Now, forgive me if I butcher how this is pronounced, but I want to say it's SERBERO, which focuses heavily on Uniswap V3 and can use it to allow you to provide concentrated liquidity to earn a higher return. Hold on, pause. Let's take a second to break down concentrated liquidity. Typically, when you provide liquidity, you are providing it for all possible price ratios from 0 to infinity. What Uniswap V3 does is essentially create an NFT that represents your share of a pool at a predetermined price range. For example, you could provide liquidity for Ethereum and USDT, but only from $3,000 to $4,000. At $3,000, your LP would be redeemable for 100% Ethereum. At $4,000, it would be redeemable for 100% dollars, because that's the range you provided liquidity for. Okay, let's continue. And SERBERO, which will take your LP token and find the best DEX/farm on the chain you're using. For example, let's say you're providing ETH USDT again, and the protocol has your LP staked on Sushi earning about 100% APR, hypothetically. Then, Uniswap decides to offer 120% APR. The protocol would automatically move your funds to the place that would offer you the best return. You don't have to do a thing, except sit back, relax, and collect your maximized rewards. If you have any questions about this, you should join the new Discord I've created. If you want to know what projects I'm looking into days before these videos come out, or just talk with myself and other yield farmers, click the link in the description below and join the MoreCoin Discord. Okay, back to it. So, on Popsicle Finance, there are no deposit or withdrawal fees. There is a performance fee though of 10% on the rewards you've earned. Now, let's take a look at the ICE token. By itself, the ICE token is a governance token that will be used in the eventual DAO that's on the roadmap. You can also stake it and receive a portion of the 10% performance fee. They actually use the performance fee to market buy ICE tokens and then distribute the bought tokens to ICE stakers, also called NICE stakers. At present, you can only stake ICE on Ethereum, so keep gas in mind before you decide on what you want to do. Also, a good thing to know is that a few months back, they burned about 64% of the entire ICE supply, going from around 64 million tokens down to 24 million tokens. So this was really just a quick review of Popsicle. If you want to know more, leave a comment below, or better yet, hop over and join the MoreCoin Discord. I'll see you in the next video guys, and we'll keep talking about getting more coins.